It's turning on.
Where did you get this?
Stupid Cube of Doom?
Yes.
I haven't. It's sold out, so don't worry. I
No,
bought
but-
the last two.
But where did you buy it exactly? And how did you get your
Bookstore.
A bookstore? What the hell is the...
Paul!
Why would it be in a bookstore?
Try the Stupid Cube of Doom. You're the next taker. Rubik's Cube. I was supposed to get that for the Thanksgiving break. What happened? I gave it to Rubik's Cube Club. They had a week to try and solve it. No good. They couldn't solve it. Okay, give this guy.
Okay,
He's the
give it
next
him.
person to try it.
Why am I the next person to try?
Because
Why?
we said so.
I don't even know you that well. Your video is cool.
Yeah.
What anime are we watching? Gunslinger Girl?
Hold on.
Maybe.
Franklin, I'm confused.
You have to line in the lines up direct, like completely to turn it.
We should just give this to some random unsuspecting...
Why would it charge?
Completely!
You solved it?
Was it solved when you bought it?
Have you solved this?
I'm gonna
Solved when you
Franklin,
bought
if
it.
it was solved
What
when
did you do to it?
he messed it up on purpose.
To make everyone frustrated.
You will regret that in the future.
Because you're an ass, Franklin, that's why.
We should just hand this to random people at the mall and ask them to solve it.
Yes,
Solve it
please,
and get $100.
please
Yeah.
use your cunning and skill and all your willpower to solve this.
Anyone who could solve this.
Is a genius.
Yes.
How do you do this? I'm so confuzzled.
Puzzle.
Sumimasen, please sit down.
Oh.
Wow.
What? No. Sadie Moore. No. Yeah. Tales of Symphonia is better.
Oh, wow. How'd you do that?
YouTube or something?
Yeah, pretty much.
Your brain shall implode on you.
Your mom. Ooh, I got close.
Hey, where'd they go?
Cool, this is trippy.
Oh, wait, now I remember where I've seen it.
Seen what? Where?
Where, but I saw it. I just remember that much.
This is trippy.
You've been recording for a minute.
I stopped it.
Oh wait, I have an idea. If you start singing this song, I'm gonna slap you.
You know it records you singing too, right?
LOL, man. I wonder who made the Rubik's Cube.
A guy called.
I'm so confused right now. Oh, cool. I solved half of it. It's awesome.
Damn it. It's horrible, ain't it?
It's so cool. I got it back into a cube.
But it's horrible, isn't it? Once you get into a cube, it's very easy to put it back in. Problem is, after that, it's very hard to solve it.
Is it?
That's so cool. I got back to the cube. I'm good.
Yeah, I don't know how to solve
I'm
this.
so good. I got back into a cube.
Now just solve it.
I know.
I think I'll stop the recording. Recording now?
Can't even say
We'll
recording.
check in like 10 minutes. What's up?
Oh, I can't believe I actually got into a cube. That's awesome.
Yeah,
Yeah, I know.
this may take a while.
More than a while.
Probably a couple of days.
More than that.
Months?
Give me this, it might take me a year.
Okay. I will check back in a year. How about that?
No, I'll probably just gone out and buy a new one instead. Say, look, I'm done.
Like, oh, now do it again.
Damn it. Wait, it's supposed to end up like this when I'm done, right?
Except solved.
Yeah.
Oh,
It's supposed to.
I'm halfway there.
No, you're not.
I know
Halfway there is when the top and bottom match.
Touche.
I can put it back in the top bottom match. Just hand it over.
Just push the input if you're trying to remove it on the.
I put it back in. Oh. Damn it.
We're watching blood and gore and people dying.
Yay!
Yay! Depending what kind.
The good kind.
Oh! Boo!
I'm just joking.
I'm just joking.
Only from our hearts. Ooh, you got it.
Partway.
You got that.
You've got the
You
top.
screwed up the square.
Just wait.
I just heard the string go.
Funimation.
Fulmination.
Funimation sucks.
No, it doesn't.
Yes! Yes!
Paul is very happy now.
I love Gunslinger. Dude, Gunslinger Girl is so good. I don't even know what that means, so shut up.
What?
I can't hear anything!
Because you are
What? I
deaf.
don't have anything.
You can't hear anything either, dumbass. Shut up, Lauren, no.
Oh, here, hold this. Wait, I think I do have something.
Please, Japanese anime club. We didn't come here to watch English. Do it at home. It's not
Ooh, watch that detail. As Franklin Liu of Los Altos High School tries to solve the ultimate Rubik's Cube. How many people have tried to record this? Ooh, you got back to this cube. I don't think this qualifies as a cube, man. I think it qualifies as a Rubik's puzzle.
Whatever you want to call it.
Ultimate skills.
Better than yours, man.
At least I got to a cube.
At least I got the top and bottom colors right.
I had that too, but it had to make it into a cube, so I
You
killed
can
it.
tell. There we go. You can tell the colors now.
How?
いつも一緒なので
Took the night vision.
フラテッドと呼ばれる
What the hell is Fratello?
It means brother. It's like a fraternity.
兄弟と呼ばれる
Brother and sister. Let's record the movie. Record the movie.
No.
Record the movie
No.
now.
No.
Record the movie now.
Oh, you took the cube away. Cube looking thing.
If anybody can solve this, please respond.
To this video.
After
Half an hour?
Half an hour. About.
Yeah, about half an hour.
Yeah, I'm not gonna solve this.